They say once you go fold, it's hard to go back. But that only works if the phone is actually durable and practical for everyday use. So, is the Galaxy Z Fold finally that foldable you can rely on in 2026? In this video, we're going to find out how it folds up in real life, how Galaxy AI helps with your work and daily grind, and what New Year promos you can take advantage of here in the Philippines. Hi guys, Brian from Tech, and let's get started. So let's start with something a lot of people are still worried about: durability. At Tech, our editor-in-chief, Abe Olandres, has been daily driving the Galaxy Z Fold 7 for several months now. No case, no special treatment, just a regular everyday use. Even with that, the phone still feels solid, responsive, and reliable, which really shows how far foldables have come. Compared to earlier generations, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is now the thinnest and lightest. And it's much closer to a traditional flagship like the Galaxy S25 Ultra in size and weight. So in the pocket, it doesn't feel as chunky, as heavy as the other folds, which removes one of the biggest hesitations people had before. When it comes to durability, Samsung really doubled down last year. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 features a new Armor Flex hinge and a titanium plate layer to improve structural strength and long-term toughness. The ultra-thin glass on the inner display is now 50% thicker, and the cover screen is protected by the Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 with an Armor aluminum frame for better protection against everyday bumps and scratches. Samsung's durability stock here is one of the most mature in the foldable space, and that long experience does show in real-world use. This is a foldable designed to live in your bag, on your desk, in your pocket, through commutes, coffee shop, and trips, not just something you baby and only use at home. The big advantage of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 shows up at the moment you unfold it. You get this 4:3 inner display that gives you a more balanced, almost tablet-like canvas. The layout works really well if you're someone who likes to get things done on your phone. You can watch YouTube while browsing the web, scroll through social media while planning where to eat, or reply to chats while reading long-form articles or documents. For productivity, this aspect ratio shines when you're juggling work, studies, or a side business, all on one device. And even though you're working with a bigger display, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 remains comfortable to hold. It's thin, light, and doesn't feel tiring to use even when folded for long sessions. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 runs on the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, so you're getting proper flagship performance in a foldable form factor, not a watered-down chip. That means you can push it with heavy multitasking, gaming, or content creation and still get smooth performance on both the cover and inner screens. Now let's dive into the Galaxy AI and software, because this is where Samsung is really making its stand this year. For 2026, Galaxy AI isn't just a feature. It's the foundation of the entire flagship experience. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the ultimate proof of that. And this is truly what sets Samsung apart from the others. What makes it more interesting is how Galaxy AI is turned for this big screen. You can, for example, run AI summaries on one side while keeping the full article on the other, translate content in a split view while chatting, or drag AI-generated text and images straight into your notes or documents. It feels like AI that's really built around multitasking, not just a one-off feature. Galaxy AI acts like an everyday assistant. It helps with tasks like drafting messages or emails, summarizing long text, translating content, organizing ideas, or assisting with study and work material. It's not just one flashy feature. It's more like a layer of intelligence sprinkled throughout the system to make your day a bit more efficient, whether you're a creator, student, or a professional. On the camera side, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 packs a flagship-level camera system, including a 200-megapixel main sensor similar to what you're getting on Samsung's top-bar phones. You also get flexible camera usage. You can use the powerful rear cameras as your main selfie camera by framing yourself on the cover screen, giving you better quality shots for selfies, reels, or stories. And if you're into editing photos or videos, the larger inner display alone already makes it easier to see more of your timeline, check fine details, and manage multiple tools and control on screen at once, something that's hard to achieve on a standard slab phone. Now, if you're thinking of making the switch this year, This is where it gets really interesting. Samsung Philippines is running several New Year promos across its latest flagship devices, including the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7. So if you've been waiting for the right time, this might be it. You can get the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and other Galaxy flagships on 0% installment, with plans up to 36 months of participating Samsung authorized stores until February 28, 2026. If you have an older phone, you can trade it in at Samsung authorized stores and use its value as a discount when you upgrade to a new Galaxy Z Fold 7 or the Galaxy Z Flip 7 or the Galaxy S25 FE. Plus, you can still stack other discounts on top. And if you buy a Galaxy Z Fold 7 or Galaxy Z Flip 7 from Globe or Smart this January, you'll also get an 8,000 pesos Samsung.com e-voucher that you can use on selected Galaxy phones, tablets, wearables, and hearables until March 31, 2026. So not only are you getting a more durable foldable with a bigger canvas and Galaxy AI, you're also getting flexible ways to pay and extra value if you trade in an older device or buy through Globe or Smart. At the end of the day, a folding phone still won't be for everyone. But once you experience the flexibility, productivity, and convenience that something like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 offers, it does become hard to go back to a traditional smartphone. With its tougher build, refined and thinner design, larger display, flagship-grade performance, and Galaxy AI, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 feels like a foldable that's finally ready for real everyday use. Not just a tech demo, but as your main phone this 2026 and beyond. If you're serious about upgrading your daily driver this year and you want a device that can keep up with your goals, your work, and your lifestyle, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 makes a strong case as the phone that built for the journey ahead. If you have questions about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 or want us to compare it with another device, let us know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you again on the next one.